In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube app on your MacBook and create a shortcut in the docks. You will notice that you cannot download YouTube app in the Apple App Store. So go to Safari and type in download Google Chrome if you don't have it already installed on your MacBook. Go ahead and download it. After that, open Google Chrome browser. Then, go to youtube.com. You will want to click on the three-dot icon on the top right corner. Look for Save and Share and hover over it. You will see the Open in YouTube option. Click on it and the YouTube app will pop up at the bottom now. Go to the bottom and move it to your dock. Make sure to select the Keep it in dock option. You can also select Open at Login if you use it often. If you close the app and try to open it from your dock, it will work as a nice shortcut now. To remove the YouTube app from the dock, just select Remove from Dock. That is about it. Thanks for watching.